Hi Instagrammers, hi YouTubers, hi Facebookers, and I always forget you. How are you? I hope you're well. Well, as you may see from the title of this vlog is about the hate group. I don't like saying their name. I'm going to say it a few times in this vlog, but I don't like really reading it out because I find it hard to say it without adding the T. So basically what has happened is the LGB Alliance, that hate group, has lost a court case at the High Court. They took a case to the High Court, and it was basically to bring into question predominantly trans women sharing same-sex spaces with other cis women. So I've got a little bit here for you that I've written down and I've got from pinknews.co.uk. So bear with me, I'll read this out and then I'll comment afterwards. Okay. A High Court judge has refused permission for a judicial review of the Equalities and Human Rights Commission guidance on the Equalities Act 2010. Justice Henshaw said the case was unarguable and that the LGB Alliance co-founder who brought the case, who brought the case, the interpretation of the Equalities Act 2010 is wrong in law. The co-founder of their interpretation of the Equalities Act was wrong in law, and it was unarguable. The co-founder of the LGB Alliance involved in the case has crowdfunded more than £96,000 in legal fees. The case concerned the HRC's guidance on the single-sex exemptions in the Act. Now, there are exemptions in the Act. I think they basically cover people, folk who have issues with social skills, social stuff, past criminal record, past criminal behaviour, things like that. But on the whole, the exemptions are rarely used. So the case was basically brought to bring into judicial review the Equalities Act 2010, and in so doing, get the High Court to rule in favour of the co-founder of the LGB Alliance, that hate group, who brought the case. And they hoped that that would then cause a judicial review that would then lead to a change in the law through Parliament. This is what Gender Critical and the people like the LGB Alliance are trying to do. They're trying to change the law so that Parliament has to react and they legislate us out of existence, trans people, non-binary people out of existence. They legislate us out of existence. That's what they're trying to do. But they've failed twice now, technically speaking. They won with the Kira Bell case that I commented on last autumn, I believe, on this channel. And that case basically, when it was first heard, kind of stripped trans kids of all their rights and ability to gain access to healthcare, puberty blockers, stuff like that. That case was then brought up again by, I think, Tavistock and Portland brought a new case for a review. I can't remember off the top of my head now doing this vlog how that came about. But a second High Court case ruled about 3 to 4 months after the initial one against trans kids that trans kids could have access to trans-related healthcare and puberty blockers if they had the permission of their parents or guardians. So it kind of shut the Gender Critical lot down and the LGB Alliance straight away. They thought they'd got a win, and then it was snatched away from them. So they tried this case, and again, as the judge said, it was unarguable. There was no argument in it. You couldn't. The LGB co-founders' case, their interpretation of the law was just rubbish. It was non-starter. It didn't make any sense to the judges, and so the judge made that ruling that it was unarguable. So we have our rights under the Equalities Act protected for now. I say for now. I don't think there'll be a change. I think if there was going to be a change in the Equalities Act, it could only really come if the Tories put it in another manifesto, say in 2024. Or they try and bring up primary legislation now in the next Parliament or in the next few parliaments. I would be surprised if they did that, because that would be blatant bigotry and hatred towards the community. Doing it through the courts allows the Conservative government a sort of cop out. They can say, "Oh well, we're just bringing our legislation up in line with the law as it stands," but the courts aren't buying it. So the co-founder of the LGBT Alliance, I'm not going to say their name. I can't be bothered. I'm not even going to say their gender. Can't get anywhere. The courts. It would appear that the courts aren't having it. And this is the marker that's been laid down. It was unarguable, your case was rubbish, chucked out. So it's a win for us. Again, another win. So if you are trans and non-binary and you are concerned, you are frightened in this country, in the UK, of the backlash that we tend to get from the media, and it is predominantly through the right-wing media. Yes, the Guardian does it, and the Morning Star has done that awful cartoon they did on us. So I suppose you could say it for all media, but it's print media and establishment media in TV, predominantly like the BBC. What I'm trying to say to you is, for those of you that think it's too much. For those of you who think, I'm just going to emigrate, I'm just going to move away and migrate to another country and go and seek refuge there, I'm begging you, don't. Stay and fight. That's what we got to do. We've got to stay and fight. Now, we've got these 2 wins. We had a loss and now we've had 2 wins. So we've got it, the momentum. It's not all doom and gloom. It's not all bad news. Yes, there are people out there that hate us, but we are winning court cases. We are winning court cases. We've won 2 now out of the 3. So don't go. Please stay and fight. We need you, brothers and sisters and non-binary folk, on the front lines fighting with us. We need you to come out and let your voices be heard. Now more than ever. So yeah. So the hate group loses a court case. Yay! They deserve that. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will be doing some more vlogs shortly. Look out for them, and if you want, you can follow me on Twitter. I am on my nickname. I'm at Lenny Auckland, and Lenny is spelled Lennie. And on Instagram, I'm at Lenny_Auckland. So please give me a follow on those 2 sites if you so wish, and I will see you soon. Please like, share and subscribe. See you later, folks.